Okay, so I got all this lined up in my binder now, and we'll go over some of this stuff. Again, this is my case that I am representing. Threaten to put you in a home to control or intimidate you is form of elder abuse or exploitation. Definition: forcing someone to act against their will through fear, pressure, or harm, blackmail, or manipulation. 8 CBS laws. Individuals' rights settings must protect an individual's rights to privacy, dignity, freedom from coercion or restraint. Autonomy. Individuals must have the freedom to control their own schedules and have access to food and visitors at any time. Okay, that right there says a lot. I'll turn the page and then we'll get back to that. Okay. We covered the threat part, okay? So, it says on here, if a payee comes to your home and raises her voice at you to force you to do something against your will, can be considered coercion, intimidation, or emotional abuse. Says here, based on the legal roles of representative, payee, or power of attorney, POA, generally do not have the rights to harass an individual or physically disturb a person in their own home, even if one's managing that person's affairs. Okay? Well, that explains a lot. That means they can't come and yell at you or threaten you. Because if they did, then it'd be a breach of duty and it would be breaking the law. And we'll get into that in a minute. So I got a lot of definitions and they all go together. So that'll be another reading for another time. So that's, one part of the story. I got yelled at or voice raised at me, however you want to put it, and I got threatened. So I just proved that they can't do that. That's illegal. Okay? Next part of my story. The worker saying that I have to stay within my care team, that I can't go outside of the system and talk to other people, that's a bold-faced ass lie. Forgive me for that, but that's me being very blunt. It says, 405 1.9, clients have the right to file a complaint regarding violation by DHS of the privacy rights granted to them. Oh, I have the right to file a complaint? Okay, so that means I can talk to the upper state officials, okay? And we go down to the next one. 405 1.10, clients have the right to request DHS refunds from any activities that may indicate threatened coercion from them. That's their rights under HIPPA law. Ooh, when he blabbed to his mom about the legal aid number on the fridge, he broke the HIPPA law. Oh, my goodness. Really? That means one of them threatened me and yelled. The other broke the law. They both broke the law. One took up for the other one. One didn't stick up for me. Oh, wow. Sounds like a conflict of interest, don't it? Okay, here we go. HCPS settings laws. This were made for people like us that have binders that are infantilizing, that treat us like we are kids when we are grown-ass adults. It says individuals' rights settings must protect an individual's rights to privacy, dignity, and freedom from coercion or restraint. Oh, let me look up this, because I've got a bunch of stuff in my red binder here, that I write in my red one with my red pen. See, it matches. That's why it's good to have a computer to fact check everything. It's always good to do your homework. Puts the power back in your hands to figure out who's lying or telling the truth, who's doing what in your life. We'll just go over this other one. Top. Indigestion. Autonomy. Individuals must have the freedom to control their own schedules and have access to food and visitors at any time. Choice. An individual must be able to choose their settings form to control their options, including non-disability specific settings. Sorry, I have to look over my writing. Sometimes it's like, what? And then I have to, tear it apart. And it makes sense then. Definition. Forcing someone to act against their will through fear, pressure, or threat. Rights and dignity. Restraint. Having the right to be treated with respect, privacy, and to participate in their own care plan. Rights and dignity. The rights to privacy and treatment and person care, including in requests meant for staff to knock before entering a room. Freedom from abuse. The right to be free from mental, physical abuse, punishment, and extending voluntary seclusion. So, here's another one that goes along with that other one. It says, a 405 2.0 clients, have the right to file a complaint or for violation of HIPP policy rights at any kind of legal. So you can file a complaint and it's legal.